Ugh, is your DEEBOT doing the DEEBOT dance of despair instead of actually, cleaning? Is it stuck spinning, going in circles, or refusing to move straight? The faulty wheel module is a common issue plaguing owners of the Ecovacs Deebot DG8G, and trust us, you are not alone. This problem often stems from a damaged or worn-out wheel motor, or the wheel module itself gets damaged. Everyday dust, debris, and even pet hair can get tangled inside the wheel assembly, causing the motor to strain and eventually fail. Ignoring this problem can lead to further damage to the internal components of your DEEBOT, significantly reduce its cleaning efficiency, and potentially cause it to completely stop working. It may even burn the motor, creating an electrical safety hazard. And let's be honest, a broken DEEBOT is just another annoying chore in disguise. Well, you're in luck, because RoboCare specializes in diagnosing and repairing these issues. We utilize specialized diagnostic equipment to pinpoint the precise cause of the issue, whether it's a worn-out wheel motor, damaged gears, or even a problem with the control board signal. No guesswork here, just accurate diagnoses. We're not just fixing the symptom, we're addressing the root cause to prevent the problem from recurring. Don't settle for a temporary fix or risk damaging your DEEBOT further with a DIY attempt. But enough talk, let's show you the results. Watch the transformation. After RoboCare's expert repair, this DEEBOT DG8G is back in action, cleaning efficiently and effortlessly. No more spinning, no more getting stuck. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I can't recommend RoboCare enough. They were professional, affordable, and they genuinely cared about getting my DEEBOT back in working order. If you're having any problems with your robot vacuum, especially if it's an Ecovacs, don't hesitate to give them a call. You won't regret it.
Don't let a faulty wheel module keep your DEEBOT down. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.